Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, as we look at the markets here, the live trade hub, let me just come to the charts because we've got some really nice conditions, right? The dollar, there's a fair bit of noise in the market around the US bill and a few other things. But I'll tell you what, the major currency pairs are starting to trend quite nicely. It's probably because we haven't heard anything from Trump or any other geopolitical stuff in the last, 3 or 4 days maybe. So that's where we are. Looking at the markets, they don't look like there's much in it. But I can tell you, we've taken out a couple of grand already on Euro Aussie this morning. The alert popped up. It was the only instrument in play, bullish, and we had a buy zone signal on the short-term charts, which, you know what, just goes to show you don't need a big trade to make some cash. So to start the week, just to lock in a nice, easy 2,000 US to get the ball rolling, right? That's builds confidence for the rest of the week, right? And as I was pointing out here in the live trade hub, there are some key numbers. UK house prices, nationwide house prices, German unemployment figures. We've got the Eurozone inflation rate. It's not far off the mark usually, but you know what? It's worth checking out if you're in that European time zone. And excuse me, in the US North American market, the ISM manufacturing numbers. And don't forget, the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is also speaking later in the day. So just keep your eye out for something random. He's been doing a pretty good job of maintaining everything. So I wouldn't be expecting too much. Just on the news, Asian shares rise, dollar weak as US bill debate, right? These things are going on and there's great trades kicking around on the live trade signal. So make sure you tune in to, the charts here. We are seeing really good opportunities. As I said, if you're just looking to build some cash, there's plenty of opportunities going around. All right, guys, that's it from me. Not too much going on, right? So just take your time, wait for the opportunities, check out the alerts, keep in tune with what's going on. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.